All right, here we have Rice Krispie treats dumped, chocolatey strawberry. Let's get right into it. So I found this in the state of Oklahoma. Go Pokes. That's the best college football team in the entire state. So go Cowboys. No feather hesitation. Chocolatey dipped strawberry. So it has that freshness of the strawberry with the perfect amount of coating of chocolate, not too thick. Balances out perfectly. Yeah, it's delicious. Rice Krispie is fresh, soft, chewy. It's not stale. Like this batch was just previously made. Like this is perfect consistency. I got it at a casino, so I don't know if you're gonna find it, but if you do find it, try it. Let me know what you think.